Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Going to be plating some stuff in 22 karat gold. Usual routine. Using the plating pen setup. And I will be plating a 9.5 gram silver solder bar. A nice ingot there, as you can see, with the beehive pattern on it. But first I'm going to give it a quick acid treatment with some sodium bisulfate solution. Shouldn't take much to activate this. You just brush it on for a minute. This stuff you don't really need much. Some acid pickle, inorganic. Don't get it on your skin. This will remove surface impurities and marks, make it even more uniform and level, which is better for plating. It's also slightly corroding the bar. That will be the tin maybe inside it. Oh no, actually that would be the silver. Never mind. Right, quickly give this a rinse using distilled water. And it's ready for plating. So, attach the crocodile clip. I'll touch that at an angle, like that. Quite a lot of plating in here already. Hopefully this will take to plating quite quick. Should do after the quick sodium bisulfate bath. This will be my second silver solder plating video. Except this time I'm doing a nice chunky one. Kind of difficult to get fully in there, in the bath. With Gildura solution. Damn it, I just realised something. I haven't even got it switched on. That would be why it's not plating. Now it should. It's not the first time I've done that, as I always turn it off. I just assumed it was on. Alright, here we go. Choo-choo. Quite a large bar this, as you can see. Plating is going on quite nice, almost instantly. That would be due to the sodium bisulfate bath. It's called acid pickle, but that's what it actually is, the chemical. Anyway. Inorganic chemical. Man-made, not good. Like most things man-made, it's not good for you, but has incredible uses. Many, I mean, especially in chemistry. There's a nice plate starting to adhere to that. Hopefully this will be one of the ones that come out super bright. Shiny. Looks like it will be. Here's to hoping. Almost fully submerged in this bath. Gildura solution. This should be a much nicer appearing bar than my previous one. Also, this is the whole process, as you can see. Some nice plating already starting to accumulate on that. It's only a thin layer at the moment though, since I haven't been at it very long. But it is plating very nicely. Might as well get both sides. Yep. The rear side of the ingot is also plating quite nicely. Sort of dull finish on the front at the moment. Let's get some more on there. Could be warmer, this object, as I haven't warmed it as much as I should have. That does affect plating speed. Basically just making my recovery ingots more attractive for my stack, which they definitely do after the old 22 karat gold treatment. Kind of a dull finish, but it's definitely starting to accumulate quite nice on there, you can see that. There's a flat bit on the back here that's plating very well, but I won't concentrate on that, as it is the front of the bar that I need to be shiny. Yes, the plating is quite nice now at this point. Sometimes these come out kind of dull. Whoop. The clip fell out, the connector fell out of the clip there. A lot of solution. It's making it slippery. I'll be plating a variety of things until this fluid is used up. So I'll be plating likely some larger objects also in the future, or more interesting items. Not that an ingot isn't interesting. Starting to get a nice sheen on that, is it not? This would come up nice with a polish. Should be a nice bright sheen. Check the thumbnail image for the finished item as usual, and the description for any other information. Like and subscribe. And if you don't like, tell me why. That way I can put out better videos. But you're better off telling me before hitting that dislike button. Seems to be breaking some off there, as you can see. Let's give that a quick rinse. Yep, seems to have burned some off. I went at it too long. So, quick amount of sodium bisulfate on there once again. I'll get it ready for the next plating, which it'll be now. That can happen sometimes when the bar is quite conductive, and it is, as this is a solder bar. Okay, that should be enough. That's just spraying it in distilled water, nothing special. There we go. Starting to plate again. In the area that had burned off just then. Move this a little bit further along. So the area that was previously with the crocodile clip is, as there will be some scarring. Which there is, I can see it. Not as spectacular as some of my other ones, but that's because this hasn't been shined yet. And may need an extra plating or two after this video. Although I doubt it, looks like it's a nice layer of gold underneath there. It may be that it is just plating quite thick. Let's give this a few more minutes. See what it comes out like. Hopefully it's gold and hasn't reduced back to silver. In which case I'll need to plate this in something else, or up the temperature and try again. Oops. Appears that there's gold on there, but not fully. We'll see. I'll give this a quick dry and see what we have there underneath that dirty sort of smeg. Let's have a look. We're back now. Appears to be quite golden. It is. And a quick polish on the jeweler's cloth over here. Yes, it could use more plating. There seems to be a defect, but the top area is plated quite nice. Well, the bottom could use some work. The bottom is also plated, but to a lesser extent by the looks of that. Let's give that some work. Let's get that over here. As you can see, still nice and golden though. But there is a defect at the bottom that could use more plating here in this area. But it's quite nice nonetheless. This is the jeweler's cloth here. It's just impregnated with jeweler's rouge. Type of polish that brings it up quite nicely, as you can see there on the side. Careful not to wipe off your new plating, but you do have to be a bit forceful with it. There we go. Outside. There we go. Unfinished plated bar. Silver solder scrap recovery, 9.5 grams, plated in 22 karat gold. Check the thumbnail. I may replate this again also to get an even better coloration on the gold plating. Well, till next time.